What is color therapy? Color therapy, also known as chromotherapy or light therapy, is a type of holistic healing that uses the visible spectrum of light and color to cure diseases and affect a person's mood as well as their physical or mental health. Each color falls into a specific frequency and vibration, which many believe contribute to specific properties that can be used to affect the energy and frequencies within our bodies. It is so amazing to know every color in the rainbow contains its own unique healing property. Light enters through our eyes, but did you know that it can also enter through our skin? Given the distinctive frequencies and vibrations of various colors, it is believed that certain colors entering the body can activate hormones, causing chemical reactions within the body, then influencing emotion and enabling the body to heal. Colors are known to have an effect on people with brain disorders or people with emotional difficulties. For example, the color blue can have a calming effect, which can then result in lower blood pressure, whereas the color red might have the opposite effect. Green is another color that may be used to relax for people who are emotionally unbalanced. Yellow, on the other hand, may be used to help invigorate people who might be suffering from depression.